Okay, so this next integral we got here, it shall prove to be a little bit of a fun integral to do. I haven't done it yet, but I was just thinking about how to do it as I was writing it down. Now, if you were to try to do this regularly, you would see that, oh, the square root 2 kind of messes everything up. So let's think about what we can do. Maybe if this wasn't this, we could just go about this normally, right? Let's just say this was just a single, term here, like just 1. It would be really easy to integrate, right? It would just be like integrating constant or integrating a single polynomial, except this is a little bit more. So what we can do is we can use our famous tool, the u sub. U is equal to 3x plus 1. And pick u to be the integrand in this case, because if you pick u to be anything else, it's not going to be that useful. Well, then we see that if we take the derivative of u, so we get du is equal to 3 dx. In other words, we want dx to look like this. Du over 3. Okay. And you do this stuff, you also need to change your bounds. So we're going from x to u, so if our x was originally 1 and 0, then just put 1 into here. So, right, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, which is 4. And then if we put a 0 into here, we'll just put 1. So these are our new bounds for our new integral that's purely a u integral. It goes from 4 to 1, and then we'll have u square root 2. Then remember, dx is the same thing as du divided by 3. So this is our new integral. And it's a lot easier to do already, as you can see. It's basically the same thing as like a regular integral, except this we just need to add 1 to it. So we're going to get, I'm going to erase this integral sign. We're going to get 1/3 times u to the square root 2 plus 1 divided by square root 2 plus 1. Okay, and now what you can do is you can plug in your bounds. 4 to 1. Alright, so let's just write this a little bit nicer real quick. We can see it as, we'll just factor out this part here. And then we'll have over here 4 square root 2 plus 1 minus. Now remember, 1 will be here, right? We're going to have 1 square root 2 plus 1. But that's just 1, right? Because 1 to the power of anything is just 1. Okay, so there you go. This is your answer, just like that. That's all you need. You could do a little bit more, and try to make things look a little bit differently, but honestly, that won't look any nicer. This is the nicest looking answer you can get. I think it's the most simplified version answer that you can get.